ईश्वर परम शिव समारंभाम् नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्ताम् वंदे गुरु परंपराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us all over the world. Through Kailasa TV and Nityananda TV, I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I welcome all the ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens of Kailasa, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Life is the greatest miracle. Life is the greatest contribution. Life is the greatest gift to the universe from Paramashiva. Life is very extension of Paramashiva, my own being. Life is very extension of Paramashiva. When you realize and make yourself life positive, you give a superconscious breakthrough to yourself. When the group of humanity makes life positive decisions for themselves, they give superconscious breakthrough for their group. When a nation makes a life positive decisions and governance, it gives superconscious breakthrough to itself. If a civilization makes itself life positive, it gives superconscious breakthrough to itself. If a whole humanity makes life positive decisions and strategies, it gives superconscious breakthrough to itself. Life is miracle. Life is the greatest gift from Paramashiva. Every life is miracle. In your personal cognition about yourself, as a first person, be life pro, life positive. In the second person, relationships with the people in front of you, be life pro, life positive. With the third persons, be life positive, life pro. There is something called fourth persons. We don't even remember, like animals. Animals in the ocean, animals in the forest, even towards them, be life positive. There's a fifth person's plants, trees, hills, rivers, oceans. Be life positive even towards them. To everything, be life positive. This is the introductory message for superconscious breakthrough to all of you in individual level and collective level. Be intensely life positive. Be intensely life positive. Be intensely life positive. What I am giving is a principle, powerful revelation, the greater science of Hinduism. Now, the Hindu think tank should start doing Vakyartha Sadas and Jivartha Sadas on this revelation and make practical application methodology, the applied science. Make more and more life positive. Fears are collective life negativity, creating the snowballing effect on individual and on collective consciousness. What is fear? The life negative perceptions about the insecurities created by others you carry within you about you and towards others. You are afraid of people who are afraid of you. You are bothered about others' opinion who is bothered about your opinion about them. Listen to this carefully. You are afraid of person who is afraid of you. You are bothered about the other's opinion who are bothered about your opinion about them. Collective fear-centric laws are created in such a way that it creates snowballing effect of deluding the consciousness more and more into life negative and giving you the feeling this is the way life is. Kailasa is going to break that vicious circle and make it into virtuous circle. Understand? In Kailasa, first thing, I am utterly feeling secured and safe. So I declare Abhayam Sarvabhudebhyo to my first circle. The feeling of security I feel as first person, I transmit it to the second person. And through the second person, I transmit that same feeling of security, Abhayam Sarvabhudebhyo, to third person. I decide to treat you all, experience you all as Paramashiva and make you all feel confident to treat others as Paramashiva, and this ripple effect is called virtuous circle. I am responsible to start this virtuous circle, Dharma Chakra, Jnana Chakra, and make every one of you experience it and radiate this joy, life, positivity towards others from first person. I make it infectious to second person. From second person, I make it infectious to third persons. From third persons, I make it infectious to fourth persons. From fourth persons, I make it infectious to fifth persons. From fifth persons, I make it infectious to sixth persons. This is what is virtuous circle. Law of Kailasa is life positivity. The intense feeling, secured, protected, nourished, enriched, loved, I experience from Paramashiva, my Antaratma, Paramatma. I radiate it through my first person to my second person, you. Kailasa government. From my second person, you, to third person, they, the whole world, the whole humanity. From the third person to fourth persons, all the animals, below the ocean, above the earth, below the earth. From fourth persons to fifth persons, plants, trees, rivers, hills, ultimately to the whole universe. Reversing of the fear-based law into love-based existence is the purpose of Kailasa. This is what is all about life. This is what is all about Kailasa. This is what is all about superconscious breakthrough. In the society, all laws are made with the principle, you are afraid of me, I am afraid of you. You try to control me, I try to control you. But in Kailasa, all the laws are life pro. I love you, you love me. Let both of us love whole world. Feeling empowered by the love of Paramashiva. Feeling empowered by the protection of Paramashiva. Feeling empowered by the security of Paramashiva. Detoxing the fears. Detoxing the life negativity. Detoxing anti-life principles, anti-life ideas, making life positivity as reality, making life positivity as truth, making life positivity as a day-to-day experience for existence. It is possible. Making life positivity as day-to-day life, day-to-day experience, day-to-day law of life, day-to-day existence, love, life, laughter, dance, music, all life positive existent and experience and expression, existence, experience, expression in all three levels. Being life positive and manifesting the intense excitement, explosion of life positivity. This is the core principle, purpose of Kailasa. There is no R, there is only one, life positivity. Understand? Just few people around you, when they start treating you as Paramashiva, you really feel confidence. You are Paramashiva and you can treat others as Paramashiva. Everyone is God is not just some spiritual fantasy. It can be law of everyday life. just like your traffic rules. It can be law of life. The most funny thing, instead of feeling protected by seeing the cops, you always feel nervous when you see cops on the road. They are supposed to be there to protect you, but you always feel threatened when you see cops' car in the street, in the road, in the highway. That's the most funny thing. In Kailasa, you will feel empowered by every being seeing you as Paramashiva. You will feel so empowered. You will simply start seeing yourself as Paramashiva and everyone as Paramashiva. This intense ecosystem is my contribution. This is what is going to be the biggest miracle of me. This is what is going to be the biggest power manifestation of me for planet Earth. This is going to be the biggest pavada, siddhi, power manifestation for the planet Earth from me. Your very bone will feel, your very core will feel life positive. Your very source will feel empowered. Your very kundalini will feel inspired, excited. Your very DNA will dance with Nataraja, Paramashiva, with the cosmos, with the Brahmanda. Life is the greatest miracle. Life is the greatest contribution. Life is the greatest manifestation of Paramashiva. Let's celebrate it. Let's enjoy it. Let's radiate it. Let's be excited about it. Life is a life is a life. Nothing can equate it. Nothing can define it. Nothing can reduce it. Nothing can verbalize it. Nothing can even box it. Nothing can box it. Let's celebrate life, life, life. Paramashiva as Kalantaka, Mrutyunjaya, Yamantaka, who manifested life beyond even death. Let's celebrate Paramashiva, Kalantaka, Mrutyunjaya, Yamantaka. Listen to this message of Paramashiva intensely and internalize. Do Vakyartha Sadas and Jivartha Sadas. We will all have superconscious breakthrough. We will all have superconscious breakthrough. I have more and more proclamations from all over the world, from people from various walks of life, and many of our devotees, disciples, practicing Hindus, many people who have achieved lot in the world, decision makers, opinion makers. So I sincerely thank all of them for sending their proclamation messages, letters, commendations. Today I have many proclamations. Today we have 29 new proclamations and letters from around the globe. 3 from Gujarat, India, 1 from Andhra Pradesh, 1 from Karnataka, 1 from Singapore, 1 from Afghanistan, 1 from Pakistan, 13 from California, USA, 1 from Texas, USA, 1 from Pennsylvania, USA, 3 from United Kingdom, 1 from Toronto, Canada, 2 from Malaysia. We have second proclamation from the Honorable Richard Tan, Mayor of City of Milpitas, California. I sincerely thank you, Mayor Richard Tan, Mayor of City of Milpitas. Thank you. We have proclamation from Sri Ramesh Ramani, CEO Expertus 1. Thank you, Ramesh Ramani, and blessings. We have proclamation from Sri Balaji, entrepreneur. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Kalar Rajendran, President of Confera Corporation. Blessings and thank you. We have proclamation from Sharmila Rajendran, Founder and Chief Technology Officer of Anishka Corporation. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Vinesh Rathore, Founder and CEO of Dharma Farms. Thank you and blessings, Vinesh. We have proclamation from Dr. Vivek Bansal, Board Certified Plastic Surgeon, and Dr. Sonia Bansal, Board Certified Dermatologist, founders of Elite MD Institute. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Dr. Rupam Khanna, dentist, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Srikant Enamandra, technology manager at Adobe. Blessings and thank you. We have proclamation from Nitya Ramani, vice president and at Salesforce. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Corina Barbu, trustee at Barbu Family Trust. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Dr. Manmohan Kumar, retired internist and gastroenterologist. Thank you and blessings, Manmohan Kumar. We have proclamation from Dr. Prema Kodandraman, President, owner of OB Jain Place, a medical corporation. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Dr. Sadinder Swaroop, clinical professor of the University of California, Irvine, School of Medicine. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Sarita Pasupaleti, President, Pinakini Incorporation. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Mr. Sabesh, Sri Sabesh and Srimati Shobi Kanagaratnam, President at Forest Consulting Services. Thank you and blessings. We have Proclamation from Manitya Durgananda, founder, your presence heals. Thank you and blessings, Manitya Durgananda. We have proclamations from Nalli Duraiswamy Balasubramaniam, former executive director at Nalli Silks Sarees Traders. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamations from Sushila Narayana Swami, director at Chettinad Cotton Studio. Thank you and blessings, Sushila Narayana Swami. We have proclamations from Mr. John Purkis, author and director of Purkis and Company. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamations from Mrs. Rajini Annan, founder and director, Bliss Health. Thank you, Rajini Annan. Blessings. We have proclamations from Mrs. Navita Vasisht, banking professional. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamations from Mr. Vishal Khan, President and Attorney at Law at Legal Oracles, Afghanistan. Thank you and blessings. We have one more proclamation from Vishal Khan, Head Corporate Legal and Senior Partner at Pro Consultant International Legal Services, Pakistan. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Mrs. Shushmita Belde, event organizer at Drishti Events. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Mr. Samir Tuli, trustee of Paramount Charity Trust. Thank you and blessings, Sri Samir Tuli. We have proclamations from Sri Dilip Shukla, Managing Director of Paramount Limited, Baroda, Gujarat. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamation from Mr. Vikas Patel, Manager of Sri Thakurji Maharaj Mandir Trust. Thank you and blessings. We have proclamations from Dr. Sri Anil Kumar, Dr. Srimati Shilpa Anil Kumar of Sanjeevani Homeo Clinic. Blessings and thank you. Proclamations are pouring from all over the world. I thank each and every one who sent the proclamations and who are working to get the proclamation letters from all over the world, and my blessings to all of you for making this Jayanti Brahmotsavam beautiful, blissful, life positive, and also many people offered sevas during Darbar. I pray to all the gods to whom those Darbar offerings are made to accept those offerings and bless those devotees who offered those music, dance, performances and Darbar offerings. It's wonderful to enjoy all the offerings. Thank you all. Not only I give the blessings to all those who sent the proclamation messages, letters, commendation letters, and all those who worked, reached out to people all over the world and being the bridge, collecting and sending all those commendation letters, proclamations. Thank you all. And I know it is pouring. I thought we will be getting around 100, but already it's crossed 60. Maybe we will be reaching even 1,000. Every day, in dozens, it is pouring. Thank you all for supporting Kailasa and me personally and celebrating this Jayanti Brahmotsavam. So, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.